Are your products being sold online on hundreds of different retail websites in different markets? Having trouble with aggressive price drops of your retailers? Are you having trouble keeping up with the pricing changes of your retailers? Would you like to know how your competitors are pricing their products and how often they change prices? Have you wondered if these tasks can be automated? Yes, Price2Spy does exactly that. We've been doing it since 2011 and we'd like to do it for you too. Price2Spy is trusted by over 500 clients worldwide. Here's why. Technical superiority. We currently monitor prices on over 50,000 websites worldwide. Yes, you heard it well, 50,000 websites. We're particularly good at monitoring websites that don't want to be monitored. We can monitor prices on B2B sites requiring logging in with username and password. Easy to identify who is in price violation. Alerting mechanism. Get alerted when a price change occurs. Or, even better, get alerted only when a price violation occurs. Reporting will enable you to identify, in case of chain reaction price drop, who started it first, who tends to be up, who is trying to be down, who is in price violation, how often and when exactly your retailers are changing their prices. Customizability. Create reports of your own, in your own format. API connection. Plug Price2Spy data directly into your own software. A Latin general said, Amat Victoria curam. Victory loves preparation. Price2Spy helps you prepare. Price2Spy helps you win. Let's do it together and let's do it now. Register now for a free 30-day trial.